Stop! If your pitch deck has confidential or proprietary written on it, your fundraise just died, and your AI advisor isn't telling you why. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. I've watched this exact mistake bury otherwise great decks. Here's a pitch deck pro tip. First-time founders write a strong, engaging, impactful pitch deck, and then they kill it with one word: confidential, or proprietary. Same effect. 3 things happen. 1, most investors won't even read it. They don't want to risk being accused of misusing your confidential information. 2, even if they do read it, the odds they're the one writing you a check are low. But 3, they may know somebody who is a fit, maybe several somebodies. Except now they have to ask your permission to forward it. That's friction. They won't bother. Your deal dies in their in-basket. Not happening. Your pitch deck is public information. Treat it that way. Don't put anything in it you don't want widely known. Stamping confidential on it doesn't protect you. It just blocks ethical investors from helping you. This is something AI won't tell you. AI has never sent a pitch deck to investors and watched what happened to it. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.